Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Word document for APA format. First, open a new Word document. We'll begin by adjusting the page layout to meet APA guidelines, which is crucial for academic submissions. Then, we'll move on to setting up the correct margins and ensuring your document is ready for content. This guide will help you create a polished and correctly formatted paper from the start. Now let's focus on the page layout and margins. For APA style, all margins, top, bottom, left, and right, must be set to 1 inch. You can find this setting in the Layout tab under Margins. Also, confirm your paper size is standard letter, which is 8.5 by 11 inches, and the orientation is portrait. These foundational settings are essential for a compliant APA document. Next, we'll address font and line spacing. APA guidelines recommend using a clear, readable font such as Times New Roman at 12-point size or Calibri at 11-point. Crucially, the entire document, including the title page, abstract, body, and references, must be double-spaced. Make sure there is no extra space added before or after paragraphs to maintain consistency. Finally, let's set up your running head and page numbers. For student papers, only the page number is required, placed in the top right corner of every page. Professional papers also include a running head. Remember to insert these through the Insert tab in Word. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to help you stay focused and hydrated while working on your papers. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.